Assam Rifles seized 54 packets of brown sugar worth more than Rs 1 crore yesterday at Technopal along Imphal More Road. The drugs were seized from Syed Sharif Shah, aged 22 years, son of late Syed Abdus Sattar from Haurebi to Rail Ahanbi of Thawal district, which was being transported in a Maruti car. Syed Sharif and the detained drugs were handed over to Technopal police for further legal action. A Manipur-based Gangte students organization expressed concern over the deletion of the Gangte tribe from Mizoram's scheduled tribe list. A statement issued by the organization said confusion was heightened when the Gangte tribe, previously included under any Kuki tribe of the Scheduled Tribe List 1950 and Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribe List Modification Order 1956, was allegedly deleted from Mizoram's tribe list as contended by the state government following a resolution passed in the state legislature in March 2011. Shifting cultivation or jhum cultivation may soon get legalized. According to reports, the central government is working on a comprehensive policy related to shifting cultivation in order to recognize the land used for shifting cultivation as agricultural land where farmers practice agroforestry for the production of food. Ben Hainutrep National Liberation Council yesterday detonated an IED blast in West Khasi Hills district in Meghalaya. Security guards in a coke factory at Kailon Mathai village near Riengdo in West Khasi Hills district of Meghalaya were caught panicky with the explosion yesterday. US President Donald Trump said he has been told by Prime Minister Narendra Modi that 10 million people are expected to turn up along a 22-kilometer long road in Ahmedabad when he lands in India next week. Mr. Trump's latest claim comes despite the Ahmedabad municipal body estimating much lower figures of the crowd.